In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get 0 dead zones on your controller here in Fortnite quick and easy. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, Fortnite actually has 2 different places where you can adjust your dead zones, and if you want the lowest possible input delay and the most responsive sticks, you're going to want to check both. Begin by actually selecting your profile icon and then hitting the settings gear, just like so. Once you're in the settings gear, go ahead and tab over to the controller settings, just like so. And once you're in the controller settings, go ahead and scroll all the way down until you see the tab for custom. This is going to look something like this. Essentially, go ahead and adjust your left stick dead zone to 0, and then of course go ahead and adjust your right stick dead zone to 0 as well. Now, if you also want to change your trigger dead zones, you can adjust these in this exact same section. And the only other setting that you have to change is going to be the option for advanced mode. If you don't have advanced mode options on and this is ticked off, then your dead zone settings are just going to be in there as well, and you can adjust those too on the simplified version of it. Just once again, adjust it all the way down to 0 and you're good to go. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.